Holy Cross, from the start, had a focus on women and women's health care. As the most trusted provider for women's health care within this community, Holy Cross Hospital and Holy Cross Germantown Hospital serve a significant role for the women of Montgomery and Prince George's County. We are truly committed to improving the health of the community in which we serve and in which we live.
Pregnancy is scary, and when you have complications, it's even scarier. It started out as a typical day. I went to work, had stomach pains. Pain persisted. Maybe around 10 o'clock at night, it was unbearable. So we came to Holy Cross. They took many tests, and based on the tests, they were able to diagnose me with HELLP Syndrome. I learned that liver had shut down. Pretty much the only treatment at that point would be to deliver, because they said that the next step would be for other organs to stop working. So that was very scary, very scary. Avery was only 440 grams, which is smaller than a pound. We were able to actually put our wedding bands on her ankle. Yeah, so she was really tiny, but she somehow was so strong. Avery was in the NICU for 99 days. I think she was taken care of as if she was family to the neonatologists, as if she was family to the nurses. We really felt like this was our second home. The result of this crazy journey is we have a healthy baby girl, and we also have twins who were also born at Holy Cross. They saved my life. They saved Avery's life.
When we talk about innovation, I think it's important to recognize that Holy Cross was the first hospital in Montgomery County to have the Da Vinci robotic surgical system.
Last year, we received robotic surgery for my wife to remove the ovarian cyst. The recovery is much quicker than what we expected. She was able to walk around right the same day. Women tend to be the center in most family. When she is happy, when she is relieved from the stress of potential malignancy, our whole family live in a more joyful situation. I would recommend to anyone, Holy Cross not only is a caring hospital, but also with greatest expertise.
The breast center here at Holy Cross Hospital is so important for the community. I first encountered Holy Cross when I was diagnosed with breast cancer at the age of 37.
We realized that breast cancer ran in our family, so we did a genetic test for the BRCA1 mutation, which I also had. Came to Holy Cross for a prophylactic treatment of double mastectomy.
The thing that really meant the most to me in terms of my treatment, though, was not only the caring environment, but also the fact that it's a very team-oriented approach. I always knew what to expect. There was a lot of direct communication with me. They would call me at home to make sure that I was doing okay emotionally. And so in that way, they took something that I think would be terrible in anyone's life and made it a manageable experience.
I felt like I had to go to the bathroom just about all the time. It just felt awful, even just walking around. This had been happening for 5 years. I didn't tell anyone, even my husband. I learned that there's a kind of surgery that lifts things up and puts them back in their right places. Suddenly, my whole world opened up. I could travel near and far. The doctors at Holy Cross changed my entire life for the better, and I just regret that I waited so long.
However life throws their curves to us, it's important that we have as fine a quality of life as we can. I was diagnosed with psoriatic arthritis, and it was very severe, and it was impacting all of my joints and every part of my body. Our church was advertising a Holy Cross chronic illness class called the Living Well Chronic Illness Self-Management course. It was a 6-week course that talked to us about all parts of our bodies and living well with the chronic illness. Also now I am a teacher of the Holy Cross chronic illness class as well as the diabetes class, and so enjoy doing both very much. I thought that I wasn't ever going to have a positive quality of life again, and I'm here to tell you that I do.
I believe it's important to support Holy Cross Health because we have a proven track record of commitment and investment in our community. We have a proven track record of quality and safety, and we truly care about the community in which we serve. I would tell anyone that Holy Cross is the best place to receive care as a woman.